What is a dividend? A dividend is money that a company chooses to pay out to the people who own its shares. When a business makes a profit, it has two choices. It can keep the money to invest in new projects, or it can share some of it with its shareholders. That shared portion is called a dividend. It's often paid in cash, directly into your investing account, but in some cases it can also come in the form of extra shares. Not every company pays dividends. Some prefer to reinvest all their profits to grow bigger and faster. But many established, steady companies see dividends as a way of rewarding investors for their trust and support. Why does it matter? Dividends matter because they turn investing into something more concrete. Owning shares can feel quite abstract. You see prices moving up and down on a screen, but until you sell, you don't actually have that money in your hand. A dividend changes that. It gives you a direct payment, a little reminder that your investment is working for you. For many people, this regular income can be reassuring. It can help cover everyday expenses or simply provide a small bonus alongside their usual earnings. For long-term investors, dividends can also be reinvested automatically through what's known as a dividend reinvestment plan. This means the money goes straight back into buying more shares without you having to lift a finger, helping your investment grow steadily over time. There's also a psychological benefit. Many people enjoy the feeling of being paid simply for owning a piece of a company. Here's a simple example. Let's imagine you buy 100 shares in a company and each share costs £10. That means you've invested £1,000 in total. A few months later, the company announces it will pay a dividend of 50p per share. Because you own 100 shares, you receive £50 as a dividend payment. You can spend that £50 however you like, it's yours. But if you reinvest it, you'll now own slightly more than 100 shares. Next time the company pays a dividend, you'll receive a little more than £50. Over many years, this snowball effect of reinvesting dividends can become surprisingly powerful. Dividends are usually paid on a regular schedule, most commonly every 3 months, though some companies pay twice a year or even monthly. That rhythm is one reason why many investors like dividends. They can feel like a steady income stream. What else should you know? While dividends can be appealing, it's important to remember that they're not guaranteed. A company might pay regular dividends for years, but if business slows or costs rise, it may cut back on those payments or stop them entirely. Companies that are still growing quickly often don't pay dividends at all. They'd rather put their profits into new products, new markets, or expanding their team. That's not necessarily a bad thing, it just means they are betting on future growth rather than immediate payouts. It's also worth noting that a very high dividend compared to the share price can sometimes be a warning sign. If a company's share price has dropped sharply, the dividend can look unusually large, but that might signal the business is struggling. Generally, mature and stable companies, such as utilities or large consumer brands, are more likely to pay consistent dividends, while younger, fast-growing companies usually focus on reinvestment instead. To sum it all up, a dividend is a way for companies to share profits directly with their shareholders, usually as a cash payment. It can provide a useful source of income, or it can be reinvested to build wealth gradually over time. Most are paid on a regular schedule, which makes them especially appealing to long-term investors who enjoy a sense of steady reward. But dividends are never guaranteed, and they don't tell the whole story about how healthy a company really is. Understanding how dividends work helps you see the balance between short-term payouts and long-term growth, and gives you a clearer picture of how investing can reward you in more than one way. Thanks for watching this video. Not sure where to go from here? You don't need another video, you need a plan. Grab the free 5-day series below and start investing with confidence. The link's right here on screen and in the description, don't miss out.